have pretty decent light rain this morning. It's not impressive on the radar, but it's been coming down since we got up, over 30 minutes now. I'll take it. You probably can't see super good, but Morris is in Tux's bed. Stripe's in the middle and Marty's down on the end. Tux is under the bench. Morris has been up there a few times lately, and then the other guys follow him. He's come back, put his head back down. Funny cat. I got the muddy water bowl swapped out. I thought for sure Morris and Stripe and them were going to hop down and let Tux have his spot, but they did not do that. Their food is in the cat hotel, but nobody would follow me over there. So a rare, all four of them in one spot. It's a good thing Tux is motivated by chicken. Yeah, just a nice, calm, soothing rain this morning. Hey, bud. Hi. I put your food down. Don't you want to eat? Huh? Well, here you go. Oh. Good morning. Hi, you talking to me? Here's chicken. So the town camp kids are on the splash pad this morning. It's only 9:45 and it's raining. I don't care that it's raining. I mean, we're out here exercising too, but they seem to be having plenty of fun. Good for them. I don't know how many times we've gone around. We haven't kept count, but we've been walking for 30 minutes and, you know, the rain has stayed intermittent. It's very humid, but it's not very hot, and I'm glad, you know, I'm happy for the rain. It'll really help that perennial border perk back up and all that jazz. So there's a huge gap in today's video. I'm really sorry. I'm not upset today. I'm having a day. Johnny's been having trouble with the 3D prints, and when Johnny gets stressed, and he's been stressed, I get stressed trying to do the mom thing. So our friend David went and picked up a part from a 3D print shop in Raleigh, someone he's friends with and knows, got some advice, and Dawn and Johnny and David are now in the garage trying to sort that out. Yes, I'm in Jules. We're just back from the cat cafe. I can't record up there because of the kids and because of the intimacy of the cat cafe. But I ran into my friend Littleton and his girls, and we made a Pokemon trade. I had a coffee and heavy cream with some monk fruit in it that I enjoyed. The kids got drinks. There's a couple of Johnny's friends from high school. They went in and saw the cats today. It was all good. It feels like I'm in the spin cycle on the washing machine. I'm trying to calm down from just, yeah. Thanks for being here today. May not be the best filming day ever, but thanks for being here today. All right, ribs are in the oven. Jules is circling the AC.
So David's here, and we were going to town. He's already got it taken apart. We're working on the removing all the unneeded hardware, because the magnetic plate uses two-sided tape to stick to that aluminum, and then it's magnetic from that point on. So right now it looks like we'll be done in no time.
Pull part of this back.
Yeah, part of it back. Okay, we've cleaned the thing. We steel wool the thing and cleaned it again. We've let it dry, and David's very carefully getting it all set up there before you mash it down. He's a lot braver than I am. I'm terrible with screen protectors, so the fact that you did this is probably a good thing. Marianne actually does the screen protectors in our house. I don't do them because I hate those things. I never get them right. I'm with Johnny. I like pulling off screen protectors.
That's the most satisfying part.
Yeah, that's right. I don't like putting them on, but I like pulling them off. There you go. Well, that is 3M. And let me tell you, you're not going to get that off. You buy a new metal plate at this point. If this is wrong, new metal plate. Way to go. Look at that.
It's a little off, but not gonna do anything.
Oh, look at that puppy.
Hey, what's up, Johnny?
Wow, it's smooth. Yeah, like he said, it's just scooch off.
Going good.
But that's okay.
Here's your new
There's the new
plate.
Yeah, Johnny
So
has come back. He had to run an errand.
Pop it off. And you don't have to use glue or anything on this. So now we're gonna lift this up and sand it.
Sand. Oh, we're gonna sand that too?
Yeah, we gotta just rough it up a little bit just to allow it to get a good kind of grip. And then we'll clean it with alcohol.
Hold on. I watched the video. I did really good for the first 15 minutes, and then I was out like a light. So David watched the whole thing. Of course, we probably shouldn't have sanded it on that magnetic surface.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, well.
That's not gonna. It's just.
Yeah, well, steel will stick into magnets, you know.
Yeah.
All right. If you want a nice clean rag. All right. Oh, that sounded snappy.
Let's give it a little more. Yeah. Where's the alcohol?
Right here.
Quick clean.
Yeah, I gotta get me some more alcohol. Yeah, hopefully this will solve Johnny's lifting problems.
Yeah,
I'm going in the house to put the ribs in.
Yeah, food. All right. So,
and voila, installed.
Voila, installed. I like this. The delivery and installation. Can't get any better than that.
And free dinner.
And free, and all it's gonna cost us is dinner. Ribs tonight. And I could let him have a brew or two.
Okay, cool.
Oh wow, check that out. So that's the new plate installed. I guess Don shot a video.
Yeah, Don got a video.
You're getting a leg rub and everything today. Good boy, Stripe. Well, that was an improvement, though. Are you ready to see Mr. David? Your friend is back. Hi. Hi. Well, we have had a good meal of St. Louis ribs. Yeah. We're just taking a peek before David leaves. Oh, yeah, it's all nice and stuck. And
you don't get no better than that, sweet pea.
All right. Well, Johnny really, really, really wants to do a weapons test tomorrow morning and solder the motor on, and so fingers crossed that he gets to do that.
We get this thing printed. I mean, that honestly, that looks like perfect.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Looking fantastic.
Yeah.
Yep. Woohoo! Yeah. Fingers crossed.
Wham bam.
Wham bam. It's a wham.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's a wham bam plate. I sit here and I'm gonna watch David back out and Don put Jules in the garage. Yeah. David's rocking. God, the other day in my car I had on some good music. I was totally happy about it. Yeah, this is called Shuffle a Tesla. Bye. David did real good bringing that 3D part and helping Johnny. The print's looking good, fingers crossed. Johnny's really working hard to get a working robot for all the ones he wants to enter, and then he's hoping if he can get design issues sorted out, fitting issues, that kind of thing, then Don and I can print spare parts. That would be what we would be doing, so we're certainly willing to try to do that. This is a competition September the 9th, so it's got a little time. Don did bring up the old dehumidifier and hook it up. The garage was just getting too humid, and that's not good for the filament. Hi, Morris.